Once upon a time, in the heart of the Enchanted Woods, there lived a rare and magnificent bird named Melody. Melody was not an ordinary bird. She possessed the extraordinary ability to sing melodies that could make flowers bloom and trees sway in rhythm. One day, as Melody perched on her favorite branch, she noticed a group of young birds watching her with admiration. Inspired by their curious eyes, Melody decided to share her gift with the young birds and teach them the magic of song. Under the moonlit sky, Melody conducted the first Songbird Symphony. She taught the young birds to find their unique melodies and harmonize with the sounds of the forest. Each bird, from the vibrant red cardinal to the elegant blue jay, discovered the beauty of their own song. Word of the Songbird Symphony spread throughout the Enchanted Woods, attracting birds from all corners of the forest. Every night, they gathered to create a symphony that echoed through the trees, bringing joy to all who heard it. But one day, a shadowy figure appeared, the Silent Crow. The Silent Crow, envious of the joyous melodies, tried to steal the song of the birds and make the forest silent forever. Undeterred, Melody and the birds united to protect their symphony. With courage and unity, they created a powerful melody that banished the Silent Crow from the Enchanted Woods. The Songbird Symphony continued, stronger and more enchanting than ever before. The young birds, now grown and wise, carried the tradition forward, ensuring that the magical melodies echoed through the Enchanted Woods for generations to come. And so, the Enchanted Woods remained a haven of harmony, thanks to the magical melodies of Melody and the Songbird Symphony.